Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director video. I'm excited to introduce a new Google Sheets feature that allows you to segment data from a source sheet and distribute it across multiple sheets based on your configuration. Let's take a look at one of the use cases. Team Project Management. A company maintains a master sheet with all project tasks. Using the Distribute service feature, they can automatically segment the tasks by department, for example, marketing, sales, engineering, and send the relevant data to separate sheets for each team. This ensures each department gets a focused view of their tasks without having to manually filter or update the master sheet, streamlining project tracking and reducing errors. Let's now examine the Distribute service for team project management. The spreadsheet contains sample data detailing team project management. This includes task ID, task name, department, assigned to, due date, and status. Let's now explore the steps to set up or configure. Click on Extensions of your Google Sheets, Start Sheet Director, opt for the Google Sheet application. To distribute the sheet across multiple sheets, I will name the service the Team Project Management Service. Next, I'll choose the Distribute as the service. Then, I'll select the Sheet tab. Here, we have two options: either segment data or filter data to configure. Segment data. Segmentation is a process of grouping the spreadsheet data by values of the selected field. Filter data. Filter data is a process of grouping spreadsheet data based on filter conditions. First, we see how segment data works. After selecting the segment data option, I will choose the full range from which the data will be distributed. If a specific range is selected, it requires range values. Next, I will select whether to distribute the data across all columns. If selected columns is chosen, then it requires selecting specific fields from a drop-down. Then, I will set the segments field to department. This involves grouping the spreadsheet data based on the values of the chosen field. Following this, we have an existing spreadsheet and its tabs to save the segmented data or create a new spreadsheet. For now, I will create a new spreadsheet. To save the configuration, I will click the Save icon. If the spreadsheet is successfully configured, it will be highlighted in blue. By enabling Auto Create New Segments, the system will automatically generate new spreadsheets using the segment names if they are not already configured. When Auto Create is enabled, a Google Sheet name template will appear, where the template name can be specified. Finally, I will click the Execute button to run the service. Upon completion, the data will be successfully distributed to the created or selected spreadsheet. We can open and share the created spreadsheet by clicking on this icon. Now we will see how filter data works. I will begin by entering the necessary filter name. Next, I will select the matching conditions, which can either be all or any. After that, I will choose the appropriate field name, followed by selecting the operator. I will then specify the required value. To add more conditions, we have to click the plus icon. First, set up the spreadsheet where the filtered data will be saved. Click Choose or Create to change the existing spreadsheet or create a new one. For now, I will choose the Choose option. Then, select the appropriate spreadsheet tab to store the data. To add additional filters, click on Add Filter. Finally, click the Execute button to run the service. Once completed, the data will be successfully distributed to the newly created or selected spreadsheet. We can open and share the created spreadsheet by clicking on this icon. Visit the Sheet Director website and give it a try. You'll be delighted with the experience. Dive into its powerful features and see how it can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tutorials and tips.